Straight away cut across to the fact that President Draupadi Murmu is addressing the session as far as the National Constitution Day is concerned. She'll speak in a while from now, but these are live visuals that we're getting for you. You are looking at the President, also accompanied by Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar. This is a special event at the Parliament, and she's going to be addressing the joint Parliament session. But this is on the National Constitution Day. Remember, the Prime Minister will also be addressing the country today, but that will be in the evening. But for the moment, we are showing you visuals of the fact that the President is just about to begin her address on the Constitution Day, also known as Samvidhan Divas, and it is celebrated every year on November 26th. This is also because the fact that this day marks the adoption of the Indian Constitution in 1949 by the Constituent Assembly of India. But of course, the Constitution finally took effect on January 26, 1950, when India had become a republic. But that is, of course, the significance of today and why exactly the nation is, of course, waiting for that particular address. But you're also looking at Prime Minister Modi present there, as well as Om Birla. You're also looking at Mallikarjun Kharge in those visuals. Also, our leader of the opposition of Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, present as well. They're, of course, right now standing up for the national anthem, that is. But in terms of the Constitution Day of India, it is an extremely important day concerning the fact that it's known as Samvidhan Divas, and it's an annual observance in India. Like I just stated, it commemorates the adoption of the Indian Constitution in 1949, establishing India as a sovereign and democratic republic. Moreover, with the fact that it came into effect much later in the month of January 1950, which is why we celebrate Republic Day. But having said that, Constitution Day is celebrated annually and commemorates the adoption of the Indian Constitution by the Constituent Assembly on November 26, 1949, which is essentially why we're looking at it being celebrated at the moment. Let's also tell you, in 2015, under the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, the government had designated November 26th as Constitution Day to promote constitutional values and coincide with Ambedkar's 125th birth anniversary. Let's listen in.
और जड़ों से जुड़ने का, और ये हम सभी के लिए बहुत हर्ष और गर्व की बात है कि इस वर्ष देश संविधान को अंगीकार किए जाने की 75वीं वर्षगांठ मना रहा है। सादर नमस्कार आप सभी माननीय विशिष्ट जनों का इस ऐतिहासिक केंद्रीय कक्ष में हार्दिक स्वागत, अभिनंदन एवं शत शत वंदन। इस कार्यक्रम को प्रारंभ करने हेतु मेरा सादर अनुरोध माननीय लोकसभा अध्यक्ष श्री ओम बिरला जी से कि आप स्वागत भाषण प्रस्तुत करें।
संविधान सदन में आयोजित इस ऐतिहासिक संविधान दिवस कार्यक्रम में माननीय राष्ट्रपति जी, माननीय उपराष्ट्रपति जी, माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी, सभी राजनीतिक दलों के नेतागण, माननीय सदस्यगण, आज संविधान दिवस उत्सव मनाने करोड़ों भारतीय वासियों का मैं हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं, अभिनंदन करता हूं। 75 वर्ष पहले इसी दिन, इसी पवित्र स्थान पर हमारे संविधान को अंगीकृत किया था। माननीय राष्ट्रपति महोदय के नेतृत्व में संपूर्ण देश एक साथ मिलकर आज संविधान के प्रति कृतज्ञता प्रकट कर रहा है। आज करोड़ों देशवासी संविधान की प्रस्तावना का पाठ कर देश को आगे बढ़ाने का संकल्प लेंगे।
All right, we heard what Om Birla had to say, the speaker, but we'll continue to track that as far as what one has to know with the opinion that President will be having while she addresses the nation.